Hello dear friends, I hope you're doing well and having a great day. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting and important topic, a review of virtual reality glasses. This technology has captured a lot of attention in recent years and can offer us unique and immersive experiences. In this video, we aim to explore various aspects of these glasses, analyze their strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately draw conclusions that could be beneficial for you. We also invite you to share your thoughts and experiences with us, as each of you has unique perspectives that can enrich our discussion. Review of Virtual Reality VR. Virtual Reality VR is one of the most advanced technologies in the world today, allowing users to immerse themselves in a digital world and interactively experience new adventures. This technology simulates three-dimensional environments using headsets and specialized equipment, enabling users to move within these spaces and interact with various elements. In this text, we will explore different aspects of virtual reality, including applications, advantages, challenges, and the future of this technology. 1. Applications of virtual reality. Virtual reality has applications in various fields, the most important of which include video games. One of the most popular applications of VR is in the gaming industry. Virtual reality games provide a deep and engaging experience for players, transporting them to a new world. Games like Beat Saber and Half-Life Alyx are examples of this type of gaming. Training and simulation. VR is used as a powerful tool for simulating real-world environments in education. For instance, in training medical personnel, students can practice surgeries in a simulated environment without any real risks involved. Psychological treatments. Virtual reality is utilized in the treatment of mental disorders such as PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, and phobias. By placing patients in simulated situations, therapists can help them confront their fears and anxieties. Architecture and design. Architects and designers use VR to showcase their designs to clients. This technology allows them to view spaces in 3 dimensions and make necessary changes before construction. 2. Advantages of virtual reality. Immersive experience. One of the greatest advantages of VR is the deep immersive experience it provides, creating a sense of real presence in a digital environment. High interaction. Users can interact with the environment and its components in a more natural way, which enhances learning and experience. Access to impossible experiences. VR provides access to experiences and locations that may not be reachable in the real world, such as traveling to space or visiting historical sites. 3. Challenges and limitations. Despite its numerous advantages, virtual reality also faces challenges. Cost. VR equipment is often expensive, making it difficult for many users to access it. Nausea and discomfort. Some users may experience unpleasant feelings of nausea or dizziness after using VR. This issue usually arises from a mismatch between actual movements and those displayed in the virtual environment. Technical limitations. The quality of the VR experience heavily depends on hardware power. Additionally, issues like image lag can affect user experience. 4. Future of virtual reality. The future of virtual reality looks very promising. With advancements in hardware and software technologies, it is expected that the quality of images, motion accuracy, and interactive capabilities of VR will improve. Furthermore, with the expansion of 5G internet, the possibility of creating online and multiplayer VR experiences will also increase. Moreover, with the introduction of technologies like augmented reality AR and its combination with VR, new opportunities for commercial, educational, and recreational applications will emerge. This combination could blend the real world with digital elements, providing a more engaging experience for users. Conclusion. Virtual reality is a revolutionary technology that has great potential to change how we interact with the digital world. Despite the challenges that still exist, its benefits are clearly visible, and its diverse applications indicate the growing importance of this technology in our lives. With continuous advancements in this field, we can expect VR to play an increasingly significant role in our daily lives and provide us with new experiences. We will examine the opinions and perspectives of some famous personalities regarding virtual reality glasses. 1. Mark Zuckerberg. Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg has always supported virtual reality technology as a tool for creating better and closer human connections. He believes that VR can change social experiences and allow people to interact in virtual spaces. In one of his speeches, Zuckerberg stated, "Virtual reality can help us feel like we are together, even if we are in different parts of the world." 2. Jennifer Aniston. Hollywood actress Jennifer Aniston has recently spoken about the impact of virtual reality glasses on the entertainment industry. She expressed that VR can lead to a new form of storytelling that makes viewers' experiences deeper and more engaging. Aniston said, "Imagine being able to be part of a movie and be a part of the story. It would be a completely different and amazing experience." 3. Elon Musk. Elon Musk, founder of Tesla and SpaceX, also has interesting opinions about virtual reality technology. He pointed to the potential of VR in education and learning, stating that this technology can help students learn complex concepts in a visual and interactive way. Musk has also warned that with technological advancements, we must be mindful of the social and psychological consequences of excessive VR use. 4. Video game developers. Many video game developers have also highlighted the impact of virtual reality glasses on the gaming industry. For instance, Hideo Kojima, creator of the Metal Gear series, believes that VR can provide a unique experience for players. He stated, "Virtual reality can push the boundaries of storytelling and take players to a new world they have never experienced before." 5. Medical professionals. In the medical field, many doctors and researchers believe that virtual reality glasses can play an important role in patient education and treatment. Dr. Susan Morris, a psychiatrist, stated that VR can be an effective tool for treating anxiety disorders. She explained, "By using virtual reality, we can place patients in environments that help them confront their fears and anxieties." Conclusion. The opinions of famous individuals about virtual reality glasses highlight the high potential of this technology in various fields. From social connections to the entertainment industry and medicine, virtual reality can create significant transformations. However, it is also essential to pay attention to the challenges and potential risks associated with this technology. Therefore, it is important to use it cautiously and with awareness of its impacts so that we can benefit from its advantages. First of all, I want to thank you for watching our video. We truly appreciate you taking the time to engage with this content. This video has been created with the goal of providing useful and engaging information, and we hope we've managed to capture your interest and familiarize you with this topic. Your attention to detail and your feedback are incredibly valuable to us. If you have any questions or points to share, please feel free to leave them in the comments section. We always enjoy hearing from you, and we want to create better content for you.